Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to log out Amazon Prime from all devices. So guys, this process that I'm going to show you will be just the same if you are using an iPhone or a web browser. So guys, you need to click at the top right corner right here on your profile by the side this icon and tap on it, and it will redirect you here on your watch list. So guys, go to the top right corner again, the settings icon. So from here, if you scroll down below, guys, you will find my account. So go ahead and tap on it. So from here, guys, you will have an option to sign out. So guys, when you tap on it, all Amazon apps on this device will be signed out all at once. So guys, just tap sign out and all of your accounts will be signed out for this device. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!